So one of the things I didn't want to do is hang a review on a dispensary that didn't involve them per se.
Right, it's somebody else's
They made a
product,
decision to
yeah.
buy product, and yes, you could say, did they screen out good product? Did they make sure they have good flour? Yeah, we could say that. But I think what we really all want to know when we talk about a dispensary is, what is that experience going to be like, and what can we expect when we go in?
That's what they do, yeah.
So we've got a triple S scoring system. So we are looking at the store, the staff, and the selection. Each of those get a score, and then we aggregate the score at the end of the review.